like to go over using StatCrunch to perform the computations that appear within the homework, especially starting here with Chapter 3, Section 2. So if you do the question help and you go through it that way, it'll probably just give you the formulas which you would plug these numbers into. But if you click this button right here and choose Open in StatCrunch, it will take this data set and put it into this first column here. For this problem, we're asked to find the variance, the standard deviation, as well as the range for this sample. So if you'd like to do that in here, if you click on Stat, choose Summary Stats and Columns, by clicking on this here, it'll show up over here, and that's telling us we want to perform computations on this first column. If you skip down to where it says Statistics, I'm going to select the three things that this question is asking for. So I'll click once on variance. It asked also for the standard deviation, and this was for a sample. Now if you click like this, it'll just toggle between one or the other. But if you hold down the command key and click standard deviation, then it puts both of these over here. Now I let go and I scroll down until I see, okay, the range. Again, hold down the command and click, and now we have these three things over here. After you click compute, okay, so this window shows up. It tells us the variance, standard deviation, and the range. I will plug these into the question and see what we get. So we're first looking for the range, and that is 91. All right, great. Going back here, we're asked for the standard deviation, again for the sample, and we're rounding to 1 decimal place. So that's 33.0. And then lastly, the variance, which appears here, to 1 decimal place is 1091.3. And that is it for this problem. Of course, now we're going to we're asked to analyze what this information means, and so I'll leave that up to you. But in terms of at least doing the computations, you can click here. This information will go into StatCrunch, so you can save yourself a lot of time doing those computations.